idea was born in 2019 when we wanted to create a t-shirt with multiple functions at an affordable price, at the same time easy washable. That's how Splash was born. We also wanted to help the garment industry during the COVID-19 crisis. Hope you guys like it.
In high school, a lot of people would sell candy. I sold pagers. My name is Freddie Vaz. I live in Oceanside, California. I'm a rocket scientist, an entrepreneur, and an inventor. I own a company called Paper Packaging 760 Recycle. We do a lot of component separation when it comes to iPhone, Android phones, laptops. Having two hands is very important, especially when you're working with small intricate parts. So I invented the Wrist Light 180, which is a light that can turn 180 degrees that you put on your wrist like a watch.
I would always see people in my neighborhood run with their cell phones in their hands or walk their dogs with big bulky flashlights, and I realized I wasn't the only one who could use a Wrist Light 180. It's ultra light, comfortable, water resistant, and the battery lasts up to 8 hours of constant use.
I can see it going to something on a more professional level. Police officials, emergency responders. The Wrist Light 180 has three major components. The wristband is made from retired clothing. The recycled plastic is made from unused electronic devices. Then the flashlight itself is made from anodized aluminum. As a business owner, I think it's very important that we manufacture this in the States. To be able to do that, we need the community's help to be able to purchase the machinery, to be able to sell this locally and globally. Darkness is the absence of light, and we're shining a new path.
Are your earphones a pain to wear? Sick of your earphones flying off all the time? Why should you have to compromise between comfort and great sound? At NEOPON, we don't compromise. Go ahead and wear NEOPON earphones all day without any pain. You can adjust the speaker's distance to your ear canal to fine-tune noise cancellation and comfort. Full voice services support is built right in. Okay, call Mike. NEOPON 2 earphones also sport an adjustable hook that molds to your ear, so you always have a snug fit. NEOPON, Bluetooth earphones for every ear, every lifestyle.
I'm Leo, founder and CEO of NEOPON. We created this product to solve all of the inconvenience of traditional earphones. If you ever experienced discomfort from your earphone, check us out on Kickstarter and back us now.
Welcome to your future. NEOPON, now on Kickstarter.
Hello. I want to take just a couple of minutes of your time to talk about VybPro. VybPro is a British-designed, wearable proximity sensor that buzzes every time your hands approach your face. If you're a key worker, working outside the home, if you're in health or social care, if you're in a vulnerable health group, then VybPro will warn you when you're about to touch your face inadvertently. We all touch our faces regularly, and we do so without realizing. The School of Public Medicine in Australia suggests that we touch our faces up to 23 times an hour on average. Both the UK government and World Health Organization say that touching your face is one of the ways that viruses are transmitted. Viruses can live on surfaces for up to several days. So that's door handles, supermarket trolleys, steering wheels, even food packaging, all potential sources of infection. So how does VybPro work? It's worn on both wrists. Using our patent-pending technology, VybPro buzzes when your hands approach your face, letting you know before touching occurs. By doing this, it helps change your subconscious habits and leaves a positive, lasting effect. You can turn VybPro off with a simple button press when alerts aren't required, such as eating, drinking, or applying makeup. VybPro has a hygienic and comfortable silicone band. It's rechargeable and is splash resistant. The bands look smart, and you'll soon forget that you're wearing them. GP Dr. Purser says, "I believe VybPro could be an important tool for individuals to take some control over this unconscious and potentially risky habit. We want to get VybPro onto people's wrists as soon as possible. We have a working prototype, but we need your support to get into production. You can pre-order VybPro before the huge surge in demand we anticipate from larger organizations wanting the devices for their staff. Click on the link to help us reach our funding target. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for your time."